Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a golden summer look. To start, I'm priming my eyelids with the P. Louise base in 0.5 and then I'm dipping into the new Sigma Spectrum palette. This palette has every neutral you could ever want. It's definitely a must-have. I highly recommend picking it up. If you're interested, you can use my discount code, TheTaylorSheree, for 10% off. Moving on to the face, I'm priming with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and then I'm adding some glow with the Saie Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. I'm using my UVA sponge to pounce on the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, and then I'm applying the Natasha Denona hy-glam concealer, which is so creamy and blendable. Before we powder, I'm applying the Westman Atelier Cream Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit and the SheGlam Liquid Blush in the shade Risky Business. Then I'm setting underneath my eyes using the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Setting Powder in Fair Pink and going in with a few powder products. First, we have the Benefit Hoola Glow Bronzer, and then I'm applying their new Glow La La highlighter in the shade Luna, which gives the skin a light reflecting glass-like beam. It's absolutely stunning. I'm locking it all in with the Loreal Infallible Setting Spray, and then I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5 and using the 24-hour brow setter to set those in place. After using the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray to give my skin a dewy, glowing shimmer, I'm dragging some of the brown eyeshadow onto my bottom lash line and curling my lashes with the Shiseido Lash Curler. I'm applying a light coat of mascara and popping on the Ardell Pre-Mapped Extensions in the style Classic underneath my natural lashes. To make the lashes look more cohesive, I'm applying the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner to my waterline and then adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm lining my lips with the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the shade Big Lift and topping it off with the YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil in the shade 5. And that completes this look. Let me know your favorite makeup product for summer in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.